Hey folks, it's Mike from the Film Photography Project. The hot new item this year is the Kodak Charmera. This is your quick use guide for folks who, don't want to read or... Let's get to it. The first thing you want to do is get yourself a micro SD card. You will need a micro SD card in order to take more than 2 pictures on your Charmera. If you buy this from the filmphotographystore.com, it comes with the micro SD card. And that goes into the bottom of the camera here. There's a picture of how to put the card in. Only goes in one way. And you do have to kind of snap it in. You'll hear it. Once your micro SD card is in, you will want to give it a charge. It's a USB-C. The cable comes with the camera. You plug that in. And then you find a cube, or you can, of course, use your computer. Whoa. And then on top of the camera, you will see a light. That's your light to charge the camera, and when that light goes off, your camera is fully charged. Once charged, to turn your camera on, flip it over. On top is the on-off button. Hold that down. Oh, look at that. And then once your camera is on, now you use the up-down levers to select still, movie, settings. You can go into the settings and if you want to put a date on your photos, etc. so forth. So let's say stills. Press this button here. Great. When you're taking your still, you have a choice of the up and down toggle of what frame you want to use. For example, black and white, sepia, that puts a border around your photo, a film border, another type of border. Whoa. Decals and all sorts of wacky stuff. Another border. Whoa. Whoa. 2001. And that's just back to your standard. And you would take your picture by pressing the shutter button here. Does a little click sound, and you've taken your picture. Here in the top right-hand corner tells you how many photos you have left on your micro SD card. 53,316. So let's say you want to shoot video. You would toggle to video, press the button here. Once you're in video mode, if you want to start recording, you press the shutter button up top. That indicates that you are now rolling. And now you're shooting video. If you want to stop, just hit it again, the shutter button up top right here. And then if you start again, it will create a new file. You could also watch your files. That's the files that we recorded. So it does have playback capability. The sound from the internal speaker is not good.
Is that video or film?
It's video. Charmera.
Video? It's not film? It looks just like a film camera.
So if you're shooting something where the sound is important and you have capability to do some editing on your laptop or on your phone, I would suggest recording some separate audio. So what about getting the pictures off of the Charmera? Well, okay. We go back to the USB-C cable that came with the camera, plug that in. Your laptop, plugging it into the USB. You'll see that the camera will go on. Camera will show up as a drive on your laptop or pad or desktop. You would double click that, and then you see all of your Charmera images. Let's take a look. Oh, look at that. It's my parents' house. Let's see what else is happening here. That's with a border. Let's take a look at some video that I actually shot with this camera.
Oh, the last time you were here?
What do you got?
That does video, huh?
This is video.
Do sound with video?
Badly.
It sounds so good.
Sound is so good, Trev. What do you got? What's that called?
This?
Yeah.
Coffee.
Any particular
Have you
type?
heard of it? Pour over coffee.
What are you getting?
A mocha.
Mocha.
Watch this. That doesn't prove anything except that you're an old, bald nut.
It has a 35mm f2.4 lens. It's a USB-C. Takes micro SD. 1.6 megapixels. So it's very small. It's a toy. The stills are JPEG format. The frame rate on your videos, 30 frames per second, AVI format. And it is a rechargeable internal battery. There are no batteries to put into this camera. Whenever you enter a room with it, people are always asking about, hey, what is that? And the first thing they say is, I want one, which is absolutely true. Everyone I've spoken to wants one. And good luck. Enjoy shooting, and we'll see you soon.